Hello friends and welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I will be showing you the vlog on Dastakar. So I visited Dastakar in September. Really nice weather to visit Dastakar. It was not that hot, and to reach Dastakar you can simply take metro or cab to Chhatarpur. So the Nature's Bazaar is actually located, like the Nature Bazaar is where the Dastakar happens. So to reach Nature's Bazaar you have to get down at Chhatarpur's metro. So for those who don't know about Dastakar, it actually provides the platform for the artisan and craftsmen and NGOs who make products handcrafted to sell them directly to the buyer. And this time, like they usually, like all year, they have different types of fair, like theme based terracotta sari. So this time it's a sari fair.
I've started my brand Vani Vidhi, which was started last year on 7th of August, which is a handloom day. So this is the first exhibition which I'm attending after I have started this brand. So I belong to Orissa. I belong to a beautiful valley named Koraput, from where Kotpa textiles come, and these are all natural dyed textiles. Okay, and these are all stoles and dupattas in natural dye. This color comes from a root of a plant.
So friends, as you can see, you not only get clothing item, but you can get the rest of the things like plants for gardening and many other like personal care products, handcrafted stuff.
Seeking
more
and
like
stuff, more like a sustainable business.
Yes.
So this like these scarves are 270.
Okay.
The stoles are 370.
Yeah.
Saris are 1900, which is
And you have permanent stores, so in case anyone wants to buy, they can come anytime. Okay, that's good.
that's one of our chicken card.
Actually, so instead of conditioner, so you have hair oil, we have also have shampoo bars, then we have hair serum. So this makes the hair care complete. It's a lip balm. Yes. And if you see the color is from the herb alkanet, the Ratan Jod, which is used in food as a natural color by Kashmiris.
Okay. Oh, this is really good. Is this Kalamkari?
Right.
Yes, because I have made a folk art. Same design, I made the picture, so I remembered it. But this is really good.
Yeah.
As we have seen, the market was really flooded with not many different types of handcrafted sari. Hope you will visit the Dastakar. See ya, bye.